Selamat malam, Pak. Sebelumnya saya ucapkan terima kasih atas waktunya untuk berkenan mm, menjadi narasumber kami di kelompok 3 dan 4. Langsung saja kita mulai. Yang pertama dari Hera.
Sir, let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Aulia Herawati. I have question. The first question is, how will this learning activity facilitate active study, engagement, and enhance their practical understanding of the material?
Okay, thank you for the question. First of all, thanks to you all for inviting me to join your discussion, practice communication with lecture. This is my honor, because of your invitation. Okay, I will answer the question from Hera, about learning activities. Yes. How to make student understanding the material or practical. Okay. For the first, I believe that my involving student more actively in learning activities, such as group discussion, so by project-based learning, it's depend on the material and the subject of study. Maybe for management science, we can do a group discussion. So for entrepreneurship subject, we can do for project-based learning. We can significantly enhance our understanding of the material and better prepare ourselves to face challenge in the professional world. Okay, maybe my answer just it. Any question for the second question?
I have next question.
Okay,
Is
next
there
question.
flexibility in the assessment method for the learning activities, allowing you to choose the approach the best with our individual learning style?
Okay, this is based on my teaching experience. When I teach my student, that I'm convinced that providing flexibility in assessment method will allow students to express their understanding in ways that best align with their strength, ultimately improving the overall quality of learning outcomes. Like this, how the approach that can make student understand and how to make the assessment method for learning activities. Maybe this is I think assessment method, we can use the oral examination, or we can use the writing examination. But for English, I prefer that oral examination is better than writing examination. Maybe oral examination, you can go to anywhere. You can go practice, such as this our activity tonight. That you practice communication with me. This is as one of the assessment methods. So you can also with your friends in the classroom, go to any place, maybe suitable for business management, go to tourism place at Old City, Kota Tua in Jakarta, which is more tourists are there. So maybe you can go to at America, you can learn academic at there in specific place, Sudirman. So you can go to ASEAN Secretary, or maybe some place you can improve your ability for assessment method. That is okay.
Thank you, sir. For the next,
You're welcome. Okay, you're welcome.
Next, My question is, how will the teaching
Okay,
and learning method?
which room this is? I am talking.
Fania.
Introduce. Okay, Fania. Please question. What is your question?
Okay, my first question is, how will the teaching and learning methods used in this course support various student learning style and ensure all students can grasp the material effectively?
Okay,
Okay.
I believe that implementing a variety of teaching learning methods that accommodate different learning style. Everyone is has many style to grab science or to grab lesson, maybe such as visual looking watching film, or can watching any with eyes, watching film. That more effective is watching film in my mind. So auditory, maybe listening music, or listening communication, a discussion, or listening storytelling from which English, which English. So maybe kinesthetic learning, or that's all will help create an inclusive learning environment and enhance the effectiveness of education for all students. Maybe just it, my answer.
Okay, sure.
Any question? Next question. Okay.
Next question, second question. How are these teaching and learning methods adapt to facilitated remote or online learning, and what challenges are incorporated in their implementation?
Okay. We know after COVID-19 pandemic, all of students are learning by remote learning. We use like now, like this, we use Zoom application, so Google Classroom, so anything. But before, I use Skype. Yeah, if you know Skype, maybe this more important uh before COVID-19 lah, Skype. But the most popular now is Zoom meeting, ya, Zoom meeting. I'm confident that by integrating technology and effective remote learning methods, we can ensure that education remain interactive and inclusive, even for student who can attend class in person. That so does supporting broader access to education. I think no matter and it can be run well with fast remote learning, or with online learning. No matter, it is nice. This is my experience when 20 and 20 years that all of us work from home and learning from home. I use my time for join any course, English course. Pare English course in
Yes, I know.
East Java. Yes, you can. This is the chance for you all student. Maybe in holidays, month in July, August, or September, you use your free time to join English course. This is online learning, but depend on my experience. This is mm, any what's the effect of online learning by a Zoom meeting is worth it lah, or it's worth it to my activity, because after online learning, online course, with course in Pare, I have joined any activity in international conference. I will show you that my conference, it's uh, it's 3 years run, 3 years runs until now, more than 3 years maybe, and 20 and 20 and now 20 and 24, yeah, more than 3 years, 4 years. That's because of remote learning. That is, I got my experience from remote learning. Okay, so that's my question, my answer.
Okay, sure. Thank you for your answer.
Yes.
Next,
If you don't mind, I will show you that my experience. I share, yeah. Can I share? Oh, but host disable. Okay, share screening. Okay, never mind. Next question with different person. Okay, please, next person.
Okay, afternoon here. My name is Della. I have two questions. The first one, how is the classroom environment designed to promote student collaboration and interaction that supports active learning? Thank you, Shar.
Okay, for the question, how classroom environment to promote student collaboration and interaction to support active learning? Yes. In this era, I think we must do collaboration, creativity, and critical thinking for C, yeah, for C. Collaboration, critical thinking, collaboration, creativity. I believe that creating classroom environment that foster collaboration and active interaction among students will enhance our engagement and deepen our understanding of the material, better preparing us for real world challenge. Because collaboration is must. You can make this discussion tonight because of your collaboration. With 5 person tonight, make a Zoom meeting. So you prepare with some questions. So you make any script or question. It's more better with collaboration. Then you individual learning. Okay, enough my question. My answer enough.
Okay,
Any question?
thank you.
Dela, any question?
Yes, Shar.
Okay.
The next, what role does the physical setup and provision of facilities play in creating a classroom environment conducive to effective and comfortable learning for all students?
Okay. The facility in creating classroom environment conducive. Maybe for setting class, set up of class. If you still remember how I learn, how I teach you, how I teach when you learn in last year, I did set class up with you letter, if you still remember, or circle letter, isn't it? Yes. Are you remember? Still remember? Dela, where is
Yes,
Dela?
sir.
Yes. I make the
Yes.
circle, the setup like U or circle, make circle. It wise because I provide for make our classroom, our class active to make learning better than set up class like want to assessment student sit on the place with make some line like that, not in the U letter. You still remember? Yes. U letter you can
Yes, sir.
make discuss some nobody are in the behind. Our student are in front of, and we can pass to pass, right? You can pass to pass because nobody in the behind. All of students are in front of. Okay, in front. That's my effective and comfortable learning for all students. Just one. It's I tell you just one. Still many again different setup for classroom environment. Okay. Maybe just it. My question. My answer. Any question? More question, Dela?
No, sure.
Enough.
Thank you.
Okay, enough. Yeah, you're welcome. Okay, next who want to ask?
My name is Rahma. My first
Okay.
question is, how can the use of technology in this classroom environment and change the interaction between students and instructor and enrich our learning experience?
Okay, this is based on my experience. If you still remember, I believe first I will answer your question firstly. I believe that by integrating modern technology into the classroom environment, such as using online learning platform or collaboration software, so with in focus is brand what projector projector in class with audio. You can see, you still remember, yeah, every group discussion I always brought my projector. You still remember? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Rahma ya, Rahma. Okay, Rahma.
Yeah.
So that enhance direct interaction between student and instructor. Some of student are as the what we say as the tutor. So some student are the audience, and so both tutor and audience are raise hand to ask the question. So this is active student engagement. Yes. So it can make more in-depth discussion. This one method when I learn to your class. So the second one is, if you still remember, I give you quizzes. It's right, quizzes, maybe in your class or maybe in other class. Quizzes. Is quizzes, you know, quizzes application software quizzes. Maybe in
Yes.
other class. With your class or in other class. I give you what?
With other
Herawati. Oh, other
No,
class, yeah. What other class? Not your class. This is ecopreneurship, right? Before with ecopreneurship last year, last semester, ecopreneurship, right?
Yeah, right. Yes.
Yes. But other class, yeah. But other class. Okay. In other class, I give quizzes. I give quizzes for active learning collaboration. Like quiz and quizzes with the application names is quizzes. So maybe this our tonight, this our meeting tonight is one of the modern technology also. Okay, that just it my answer. Any question, Rahma? Next question. Any question?
My second
Okay,
question,
okay.
how can the classroom management strategies implement in this environment promote active student engagement and create a positive learning atmosphere?
Okay. I believe that by implementing effective classroom management strategy, such as constructive feedback, so supporting the student in university collaboration and creating good atmosphere, inclusive atmosphere, no, no, no different. Inclusive is not different. All is equal. All may ask question. All may free for question. So we can enhance overall student engagement and ensure that each learning session runs effective and yes, efficient and effective. The keyword is collaboration. The keyword is collaboration, and all of us is equal. And me as the lecturer, as not like teacher in elementary school or in middle school, but I'm a facilitator because all of you are the subject for learning. Okay, maybe just add my answer.
Okay, thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Enough. Already all. Or maybe
The next is Mega.
okay.
My name is Mega. My question: how do professor experience and life outside the classroom influence their teaching approach and interaction with students?
This is question for me, or you make me wish for become a professor?
Ya, maksudnya di luar kelas, outside classroom.
Okay, no. The context, I understand, but your word is professor. It is
Yes.
doa for me. Your
Yes.
doa for professor. Okay, thank you for your question. As the lecturer, you know that I have any research, so community service or academic activities. It is those all can provide additional insight to the teaching approach and inspire students to explore the academic interest more deeply. I have told before that I suppose to you all as students how to make learning English effectively. I think it's more the most is the more of the most the more is speaking how to create best practice. You can do it. You may go to old city Kota Tua. You can talking with some tourists there over there. So maybe you can go to any facilities can improve your ability in English, such as at America. Anybody knows at America at Pacific Palace in Sudirman? Nobody. You can browse at America. I think some student in Unpam already got to there. This is my experience. So maybe you can go also at ASEAN Secretary. This is near when you use transportation MRT, stop in ASEAN Secretary. You can go to ASEAN Secretary and maybe can make the you send some send letter to go to there with your friend in your classroom, maybe. So maybe you go also in other place which is more native are there. I think that's one experience that I give you my experience, because when I as student like you all, I that are my experience. I do any lecture in ministry, maybe in Ministry of Ministry of Foreign Ministry, yeah, Foreign Ministry in Jakarta. So maybe I did I did uh, to attend the lecture in any university with English, yeah, with English. So another one is maybe some project this project is can improve your English also. So maybe you can also what English is benefitly, maybe you can make how to make how you can make the what we say wawancara interview, work interview. You can make work interview with English, so you record and learn from YouTube. Maybe it can make experience also, yeah, can make experience for your ability to improve your ability and to improve your skill and academic interest. Yes, but the first one, I think just that you are also I talked to you that we have what smart from three visual, so audio, kinesthetic. Yes, you can choose what you prefer to what you prefer, are you visual or audio. So you can watching film with English, so you can learning music when you audio, yeah, when you audio. Okay, maybe that is my answer. Any question? Another question? Was last question just now? Mega, ya, Mega. Yes, Mega.
Yeah. Last question, sir. How do
Okay, last question.
professors integrate their experience outside the classroom, such as research or academic project, to enrich student learning experience?
Okay. Mm, to enrich student and learning experience with my research or academic project. Overall for this for this semester or for this year's period, this period semester, I'm not for English, yeah, for English, or maybe or for other, yeah, for other material. Okay, for other material, I make I make some project with student for analytical of strategic business strategic. So I make 5 ASIC group every class. So every group there are research to non-government organization, or to what we say company, or to small UMKM, we can say UMKM. So they analytical, they make they make the analytical about strategic of all strategic of all with analysis, strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat. So after that, 6 case study, they demonstrate in front of class, and they deliver to all students without discussion. Only deliver what's the project they have been they did yes they did. Okay, that's in the material of strategic management. Okay, I give the sample one from strategic management. Okay, just it my answer. Any question? Another question?
No question, sir.
Enough? Okay. Okay, if you don't mind, I will show you that my experience, yeah. But this is disabled. Okay, never mind. If already enough, maybe I will out from this joint meeting, or maybe Fania will talk about something before we close.
Okay, sure. Thank you so much for your advice. Sorry if there are mistakes. Enough.
Okay. Thank you very much for the invitation. I beg your pardon if any mistake from my answer, or maybe my talk, I talk with you all. It can be understand. You okay. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke ya, saya out semuanya ya. Ya, sukses ya buat semuanya
Pak,
ya
terima kasih
tugasnya ya.
banyak.
Ya, sama-sama ya.
Ya,
Ini
Pak.
yang
Makasih,
kelasnya
Pak.
ketuanya Ilyas bukan sih ya? Ilyas betul ya ketua kelasnya waktu itu ya?
Dari Pak.
Dari
Pak.
Pak.
Oh, Dery. Oh ya,
Dery
Dery. Oke,
Antoro.
Dery. Ya, Dery. Maksudnya Ilyas ada salah satu di kelasnya ya waktu itu ya?
Pak.
Ya,
Ada.
iya, oke. Ya, ya. Oke, saya out ya. Terima kasih ya. Ya, assalamualaikum.
Ya, terima kasih, Pak.
Ya, sama-sama.